Here's where I'm planning on having my chickens. Do some work to that little barn right there. We've been going to the swap meets and checking out, getting contacts. I've been watching a lot of online videos about what chickens to get. Out here it gets pretty cold in the winter, so probably need some really hard chickens, and it might be the wrong time of year to get them. But I like to start out with maybe 4, 6, somewhere around there. Here's the garden. And I gotta say, last night I hate to say this, but yeah, it's I decided that I had to make the decision to quit organic gardening for this year. Some of it might, I don't think any of it will be. I just had to do it that way. It's just nothing was working. So last night I used Miracle-Gro, and the plants just perked up quite a bit. There we go. It is tick season. I've been cutting brush down, these branches off of these trees and things, and we're coming home with ticks every day. My wife had several last week on her head. I had one in my navel last week. It was scary. It looked pretty good. That one there, obviously, it's not going to make it. It's done. This one here is too. I think we lost 3 or 4 plants. And there we see they're from flowering. And there we go. Look at this. Corn is coming up. We are actually getting corn. I've got some packets of corn yet, and I think I'm just going to scatter them in here somewhere. Because I don't know what the birds are. I don't know if it's a bird, but there's something burrowing underneath there that has been eating the seeds. And look at there. Is that a tomato? Yep. So we have a couple plants with tomatoes in them. That's either a tomato. That's a tomato. That's good. Allergies. What the heck is that? That's pretty good. It has been so hot. And I'm happy to say that the beans are coming up. And this just happened since I put the Miracle-Gro on it last night. I was gonna, treat it organic again, but no. It's talking to my brother who's been gardening for most of his life. He said I'll never get any vegetables this year if I don't fertilize. But next year's a big difference, because next year I am going to really rework the soil here prior, starting like about as soon as the ground softens up, and I have all the plow equipment now. And there'll be a bigger area, and I'll be working it for probably a month or 2 before planting. And I'm planning on starting compost this year too. Look at that field there. This guy planted, I don't know if I can get a thing in here. Yeah, he planted, I don't know if they planted corn or what last week. Nothing has been coming up yet. Once it's coming up, once the corn comes up, it's been fast. So yeah, I have to do some maintenance here. It's just been too hot and hard, and I have too much other work to do. Hear the thunder? Cleaning up. I think I felt a raindrop. I'm not sure. So I'm not even going to water yet. Nope, not at all. So let's see. Gotta name that thing here. That owl. Obviously, Hootie would be a good name for him. Probably, if nothing else. That'll be his name. So that is about it. I'm gonna close this up and get back to doing some of the bushwhacking. Yeah. Got plans for I was gonna sell that trailer, just the frame. I figured it'd be like $100 just for the frame if I knock the sides off of it. It's a sturdy trailer, very sturdy, homemade. So I don't know that. I have some other plans for it. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment and like. Several weeks without rain. You can hear it. Hear the thunder. Nothing really. There's some rain clouds and it clears off. Some spotty rain here and there. Every 5 minutes or so, I'll feel a few drops. Oh, it was lightning right there. Most of it's going to the northeast, so it's almost kind of like bypassing us. I was lucky to get some cucumbers planted this morning, or just about 15-20 minutes ago. So see what happens. It's the beginning of several days of a monsoon season here. Yeah. Well, look at him. He's chomping. They did a pretty good job of eating the grass in here last couple of weeks or so. But I'm going to cut it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like.